Welcome to this charming single-family residence on a tranquil private road. With 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a 1-car garage, this home offers comfort and style. Recent renovations have created an inviting atmosphere, with a modern kitchen and fresh paint throughout. The spacious interior provides 1,600 square feet of living space.
Thinking about moving to Fairbanks? Well, click on the link below for my free relocation guide where I talk about top schools, top neighborhoods, and so much more.
Step outside to see the serene backyard. This home also comes with a VA Assumable Loan for military buyers, so don't miss your chance to own this one.